Hi, my Kayla crew, welcome back. So today I've got a stitch fix to share with you. I know, I just posted a stitch fix not too long ago, and that box ended up being a 5 for 5. Yep, that was a really good box. And actually, this top that I'm wearing came from that box. Didn't plan it. It just happened to be from that box. So I know, it's so quick because when I checked out last time, they asked me if I wanted a quick turnaround, and I'm like, yeah, sure, why not? I have the style pass, so I don't pay anything for my boxes. Let's dig in and see what's inside. I will tell you, I'm a peeker, and when this box shipped, I peeked, and I'm like, I don't know if it's a Kayla box, but you never know till you try things on, so let's do it. Okay, so first blouse is by 41 Hawthorn. It's the Morey blouse in Burgundy. It is $38. It's 97% polyester and 3% spandex. So I mean, I think it's a cute blouse. Let me back up. I have it on with my black pants that I'm gonna wear to work today. I do like the length of it. I feel like it gives some good coverage. Now, I'm not crazy about it. And I don't really want to add, I mean, today is actually gonna be 71 degrees maybe. And I'm comfortable outside and it's not even, I think, what is it, 7? So yeah, it's gonna be pretty warm today. So this is a blouse that I could wear today, but this weather's not gonna last that much longer. Well, who knows? So I don't know. I just don't really want to add any more short sleeve tops to my wardrobe unless they're absolutely special. Maybe I'll get a tank or a top that I want to keep that short sleeve or tank style, but this one to me doesn't scream special. It's cute. I'm coming closer so you can see there's almost like a pleating detail going on up here. It does have the split V-neck, which I do like. The pattern's pretty. Can you see it's got like a navy blue, the white with the burgundy? I think it's pretty. I do like the sleeves. It just doesn't scream special to me. So this one I'm not going to keep unless it turns into a 5 for 5, but I have to be honest, I don't think this is a 5 for 5. Let me show you the back of it. The side here almost kind of has like a rounded a little bit hemline. It's not a bad top, and I think it would look cute, you know, with white jeans, white pants too, or just your jeans, you know, your blue denim. So if this is a top that, you know, speaks to you, this might be a good top for you, so you can go ahead and request it. It's not a bad price either. It's just not a Kayla top, so, well, at least, no, it's not scream and keep me, so I'm gonna send this one back. All right, let me change into the next top. Okay, so I saw this in my preview, and I was actually hoping that this top would work, but I don't think it does. I think it's too big. Let's talk about it. It's by LUQ, I think it's how you say LUQ, the Taylor Tiered top in mustard, only $38, not a bad price. Okay, it is 100% cotton. So what do you think about it? Let's go through it. I love the V neckline. I love like all the fall vibes this is giving off. I think it's really cute. I said before, I'm not a plaid girl, but I think because this plaid top has a feminine touch to it, that I'd pull for it. But I just don't think, I don't know. I'm on the fence. I'm like, ooh, do I love it or do I really don't? You know how you have those tops where it's like, okay, it's outside of my comfort zone, but I kind of like it. I don't know. I think the sleeves are too baggy. It does have a balloon type of sleeve. You can totally tell that, right? Which is cute, but I don't know. Are they too big? The bottom of the sleeve is elastic, but it's not tight to your wrist. What do you think about it? There is a seaming detail. Can you see that? Oh, they don't line up. Okay. Oh, no, they don't. But I don't know if that drives me crazy. You know, what do you think? It has like a, oh my goodness, almost like a peplum style, but it's not too peplumy. You know what I mean? I don't know. It's cute. I think I'm thrown off because it's not a typical Kayla top. Okay, I want to come even closer so you could see the colors of the plaid. There's like a, I want to say it's almost like a cobalt blue, and then with the white and the mustard. I love the color combination. So I think it would be a cute fall top. It's so comfortable too. It really is. What do you think? Let me know. This is going to be one of those tops, I feel like, that you either really love or you don't. So I'm probably going to get some mixed, I love it, Kayla, and some, nope, send it back, Kayla. So I don't know. Let me know what you think. Let me show you the back of it. So I'd probably wear this with my darker color denim and some booties. I mean, you know what? Let's try it. Let's see how it looks. Hang on. Okay, so I threw on some darker colored denim. I'm gonna back up so you can see the whole outfit with, I just put on my mule, so hang on. You know I've been pulling for those a lot. So what do you think? This top is kind of growing on me. I don't know. I'm gonna need your opinions. Am I trying too hard or is it kind of cute? I'm leaning towards it's kind of cute. I already know there's some of you that are gonna be like, nope, it's gotta go back. And I may watch back and totally think the same thing. So, but I did want to try it because I would wear it like this if I kept it. So, all right, I'll be right back with the next piece. Okay, so next top is by Market and Spruce. This is the Reviera cable knit Dolman. It cuts off. I think it's Dolman top in the color orange red. Really pretty color, isn't it? It's $58. Okay, ready for the fabric? 45% acrylic. 45. I know, acrylic. I'm getting a lot of acrylic, huh? 45% polyamide, 5% silk, and 5% cashmere. What a combo, huh? You can machine wash cold. So, what do you think? I think I saw Carolyn over at Carolyn and her clothes get this in her last box, but I think it was an olive green. I remember really liking it. So I like this top. I like the length of this top a lot. It feels amazing. I'm gonna come closer. The cable knit detail. Isn't that pretty? I don't know if I'm crazy about the neckline, because you know I love my V-necks, but I mean, I guess it's something different. What do you think? It does have a Dolman sleeve, which I do like a Dolman sleeve when it's done right. It is 3/4 length sleeves. That doesn't bother me. I know a lot of people don't like 3/4 length sleeve tops, but I do. I'm constantly pushing up my sleeves anyway, so I kind of feel like if they already come in the length that I usually push them to, bonus. Not all my tops, but you know what I'm trying to say. So I do like this color. I think it's a great fall color. I have it on with my dark wash denim still. What do you think? I think I'm leaning towards keeping this top. I said before, I'm looking for more sweaters. I have a lot of cardigans, but I need to add some more sweaters. So I really like this one. Let me know what you think about it. All right, let me show you the back. So I think the length is good. I think the fit is good. Like I said, did I say this? I think it would be good with like a vest over it too. I do. I love this cable knit detail. I think it's so pretty. All right, I've got a cardigan to show you and I've got some booties. The booties are not Kayla booties. I don't even know if I want to try them on. I don't want to ruin them. We'll see. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, next piece. I know, look at the print, but I'm not going to keep it. Let's talk about it. It's by Bobeau. It's the Wallace brushed cardigan in gray, $58, 75% rayon, 21% polyester, and 5% spandex. You know, I have a Bobeau cardigan that's a waterfall style like this, and I think it's a camo cardigan, and it fits really nice. I don't think it adds a lot of bulk. For some reason, I feel like this one adds a lot of bulk in the front. What do you think? Like right here, I feel like there's too much material or too much fabric. What do you think about it? You know, I think the print is so pretty, isn't it? I love it. So the sleeve length is pretty good. You know, I like it. I don't love the fit. I think if it were a straight cut, then I'd probably want to keep it. But this cardigan doesn't scream keep me. Can you believe it? A leopard print cardigan that doesn't scream, to me, keep me. I should probably take my temp, huh? All right, let me show you the back of it. So it's cute. I just don't know. And what I do like though is like the inside is that gray, like the brushed gray. So if it opens up, it's not like, you know, some cardigans, when they open up, they kind of look unfinished. I don't think this looks unfinished. I think it's pretty similar to the colors in the cardigan. I guess you could belt it, maybe. I don't know. It's just not screaming keep me. All right, I'll be right back. I'm gonna show you the booties. Okay, so I'm not gonna try the booties on because I wanna keep them nice for the next person. I know I'm not gonna keep these. They're just, I like to wear something with a little bit more of a heel. They're cute, but they're $129. So for that, I already know. Nope, they're not gonna stay. These are by LUQ brand. They're the Fausst heeled booty in black, size 8, $129, yeah. So they're cute if you like a flatter heeled booty, or a shorter heeled booty, I should say. They still do have a bit of a heel on it. So if you can't wear heels, this may be a nice booty for you. It still has that stacked heel look, and I kind of like that. The black is, they mix the black with the brown heel. You know, I think it looks nice. You could tell that these are good quality, but I won't pull for them. I know I won't. They're just a slip-on booty. So they're cute. Just not my style, that's all. So yeah, I'm not gonna keep them. But that's what they look like. They kind of have more of like they're a rounded toe, I'd call it. So yeah, that's my fix. All right, I'm gonna be right back. We'll do a quick recap. Okay, so I have a couple videos lined up to post before this, but I'm gonna redo the order because I want to have your opinions before I check out, because I really appreciate your opinions and you always help me out if I'm like stuck on an item. Some of them are polarizing though. Some of them really, like, you either love it or you don't, and I feel like this is one of them. Okay, so this cardigan, I kept it on, but it's gonna go back. Yeah, I'm just, for some reason, I'm not feeling it. So I kept it on to see if I changed my mind. I didn't. It's gonna go back. So the booties are also gonna go back. They're cute. They're not a Kayla style booty. I'm gonna keep them nice and clean and neat for the next person that gets them. Okay, now this red top is also going back. While I think it's cute and, you know, I could probably get some use out of it for work, I don't know how much use I'd get out of it, so I'm gonna send it back. If it was a 5 for 5, I probably, you know, obviously I would have kept it and made it work in my closet. Okay, so these are the two pieces that I'm going back and forth on. So, especially this one. This top was $38. This is by LUQ. Is it LUQ? Is that how you say it? So, what do you think? I don't know. I'm on the fence about, was I trying too hard? Okay, so when I really like something, you know, I try to style it because, yeah, that's how I am. If I love it, I'm gonna try to style it. And I did with this piece. So I'm kind of leaning towards keeping it, but I haven't watched back yet. I probably should have watched back before doing the recap, but you guys are gonna let me know too. I may have already made up my mind by the time you're seeing this. Probably not though, because I looked in the mirror and I just don't know. Like, I wanna love it, but I don't know if I do. I don't know if I'm trying too hard. Sometimes I try too hard to love pieces, and I could be with that one. Okay, I think I'm gonna end up keeping this top. They're calling this the red orange top. I almost think it's more of a rust or a pumpkin. I don't know, but it's pretty. It's a pretty fall top. So let me know. The material feels awesome, so I may keep it. Let me know what you think. So I'm going back and forth between these two, so I'm gonna keep one or both. Let me know. All right, thanks so much for watching and for spending some time with me today. I really appreciate it. I look forward to chatting with you in the comment section, and I will see you in my next video.